Hey, this is Mitzi. Guess what today is? It's soup day, and I'm going to show you one of my family's favorite soups. It's a soup that's served at Olive Garden called Zuppa Tuscana, which means Tuscan soup. It's a soup that has Italian sausage, kale, and potatoes. It is a cream-based soup. It's very hearty, a rustic soup for a cool fall day. So, let's get started.
Here are the ingredients I used to make this soup. And here is a list of the ingredients you'll need. You may want to pause at this time and write these down. First, I'm going to prep my vegetables, starting with the garlic. You'll need 2 cloves of fresh garlic. So here's 1, and then 2. I use a knife to get the peel started off each clove. What I have here is a garlic press. You can chop your garlic with a knife, but I find this much faster and easier to clean up. It takes a bit of pressure to do this, but it saves so much time. Just press it through and remove the outer layer. Next, I have 4 russet potatoes. These will need to be peeled. I'm using a paring knife, but you can also use a vegetable peeler. Once these are peeled, they need to be cut into cubes. I'm going to show you 2 ways. First is to cut the strips and cut cubes into a bowl, and then I'm going to show you how you can use a large knife and a cutting board. I'm cutting a large onion in half, then peeling the outer layer. Make your cuts not quite all the way, then slice and chop. I'm using raw bacon cut into pieces. The fat is a bit hard to cut, so you may want to chill the bacon in the freezer a bit before cutting to make it slice easier. So here are the prepped ingredients. Now we need to get a thick bottom pot and turn onto medium-high. Crumble your Italian sausage and cook this until done, stirring as needed. The rubber spatula that I'm using is from Tupperware, and if you'll notice, it doesn't melt. Now take this off the heat and remove the sausage. Now add the bacon and cook until the fat is rendered. Leave the meat drippings in your pot and add the onions. Cook them about 5 minutes and then add your garlic. Saute this for a minute and then add the flour and whisk it into the grease and the garlic and onion to make what is called a roux. Cook for another minute. Pour in the chicken stock and bring to a boil. Add the potatoes, cover and cook on medium-high for 15 minutes. Then you'll add the cooked sausage, three-fourths of the bacon, saving some to top your bowl of soup. Then stir in 1 cup of heavy cream. You'll want to add more water later. Stir in the kale, add a half a cup of water. This kale will cook down a lot, so keep stirring. Add a teaspoon of salt and some pepper. If it seems too thick, add more water. I'm adding another cup. Now cover and cook this at least 10 minutes. See how thick and rich this looks? This soup is so delicious you won't believe it.
A good hearty soup for a cool fall evening.
Be sure to log on to my YouTube channel and subscribe for more awesome recipes like this one. Facebook users, don't forget to like and share this video. And please feel free to leave a question or a comment on Facebook or YouTube. And as always, thank you for watching Mitzi's Market Fresh Meals.